and his team have saved hundreds upon hundreds of babies over the last 4 years in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Dan calls his local abortion facility hell with doors. And I think it's a fitting description for not just his abortion facility, but for any abortion facility. I think back to my first 40 Days for Life campaign in 2008. I don't know if I quite recognized what I had gotten myself into on day one, but if I didn't know on day one, I very quickly recognized on day two. It was day two where my wife was out standing vigil, and a young man named Ed approached her, and he shared his story. Now, I can't begin to imagine what would compel Ed to share this personal testimony with a complete stranger, but he shared with my wife how recently he had gotten his girlfriend pregnant. He wanted the baby, she wanted the abortion. They argued about it, she broke up with him, she stole his credit card, she used it to pay for the abortion, and then to pour salt on an open wound, she mailed him the sonogram image of his aborted child. It's the very worst that our world has to offer, and when we consider that this happens thousands of times every day in North America, we might be tempted to wonder if perhaps the darkness has overcome the light. But I'm convinced, even amidst the darkest moments that we have, that there's still no excuse to despair, because this kind of darkness that we live in, this world that we live in, is not very much different from the world that our Savior Jesus Christ walked in, isn't it? Jesus Christ walked the earth in a Roman Empire, a pagan Roman Empire.